Have you ever wondered what secret ingredient powers every single mega factory on Earth? From the Teslas rolling off the line in Shanghai to the iPhones being assembled in Shenzhen, and even the rockets being built by SpaceX, they all depend on one single, almost invisible industry. It's not chips, it's not rare earth metals, and it's not even software. This is the story of the unsung hero of modern manufacturing, a hidden giant that makes the impossible possible. And once you see it, you'll start noticing it everywhere. Let's start with a puzzle. What do a car, a smartphone, and a can of soda have in common? It's not just that they are mass-produced. It's how they're mass-produced with such incredible speed and precision. The answer lies in something called industrial automation and control. Think of it as the central nervous system for every factory on the planet. This industry creates the brains, the nerves, and the muscles that allow millions of products to be made flawlessly every single day. Without it, the world as we know it would grind to a halt. Forget today's shipping, we'd be lucky to get to month shipping. So who are the puppet masters behind this global show? You've probably never heard their names, but they are titans of industry. Companies like Siemens from Germany, Rockwell Automation from the US, Mitsubishi Electric from Japan, and Schneider Electric from France. These aren't the brands you see on a billboard, but their technology is inside nearly every factory you can imagine. They don't make the final product. They make the machines that make the product. They build the sophisticated systems that control everything from a tiny robotic arm tightening a screw to a massive press stamping a car door. Let's break down what they actually do. Imagine a giant car factory. You see those huge, synchronized robotic arms welding car bodies with sparks flying everywhere? That's automation. But what tells those robots exactly where to weld, how much pressure to apply, and when to move to the next car, all in perfect harmony? That's the control part. This is done through something called a PLC, or a programmable logic controller. You can think of a PLC as a super robust, specialized computer designed to survive the harsh environment of a factory floor vibrations, dust, temperature swings, and to work without crashing, ever. Siemens Simatic PLCs and Rockwell's Allen Bradley controllers are the gold standard here. They are the brains of the operation. Then you have the senses of the factory. These are the thousands of sensors scattered everywhere. Proximity sensors that detect if a part is in the right place, vision sensors that check for microscopic defects, and temperature sensors that ensure a chemical process is happening at the perfect heat. These sensors are the eyes and ears of the production line, constantly feeding data back to the PLC. Companies like Kayence and Omron are masters of this domain, creating sensors so precise they can detect a shift of a few micrometers. Next up, the muscles. This is where motion control comes in. It's not enough to just know what to do. The factory needs to physically do it. This involves motors, drives, and actuators. A variable frequency drive, or VFED, is a magical device that can tell a motor exactly how fast to spin. Need to gently place a fragile screen onto a phone? The VFED slows the motor down to a crawl. Need to rapidly move a heavy component across the factory? The VFED cranks it up to full speed. This precise control over movement is what enables the delicate dance of modern manufacturing, preventing costly damage and ensuring incredible speed. Now, let's tie it all together with the nervous system, the industrial network. All these components, the brains, the senses, and the muscles need to talk to each other instantly. We're not talking about your home Wi-Fi here. This is a super fast, ultra-reliable network called an industrial Ethernet. Protocols like Profinet and Ethernet or IP allow a sensor, a PLC, and a motor to communicate in milliseconds. This real-time communication is absolutely critical. A delay of even a fraction of a second could cause a catastrophic collision between robots or ruin thousands of products. Let's look at a real-world example, a modern bottling plant. It's a blur of motion. Empty bottles fly down a conveyor belt. A machine, controlled by a PLC, uses sensors to make sure each bottle is perfectly aligned. Then, a filling nozzle, driven by a precise motor, dispenses the exact amount of liquid, no more, no less than 200 of bottles per minute. Another sensor checks the fill level. Then, a capping machine, perfectly synchronized, seals each bottle. Finally, a vision system inspects the cap and label for any errors before a robotic arm packs the bottles into cases. Every single step is managed by this hidden system of automation and control. The speed and perfection are not magic. They are feats of engineering by these invisible giants. The craziest part, this industry is now undergoing a massive revolution called Industry 4.0. If PLCs and robots were the third industrial revolution, Industry 4.0 is about making factories smart. We're talking about connecting every single machine to the cloud. This allows a factory manager to sit in an office halfway around the world and see exactly what is happening on the factory floor in real time, on their tablet. They can predict when a machine is about to fail before it actually breaks down, thanks to artificial intelligence analyzing data from thousands of sensors. This is called predictive maintenance, and it saves companies millions in downtime. They are also creating digital twins. Before building a multi-billion-dollar factory, they now build a complete virtual replica of it in a computer. They can simulate the entire production process, optimize the layout, and train the AI before a single piece of physical equipment is even ordered. This allows them to iron out all the problems in the digital world, saving immense amounts of time and money. Siemens' Digital Enterprise Suite is a leading platform for this, creating a seamless link between the virtual and physical worlds of production. So, why is this industry so secret? Well, for one, it's business to business. They sell to other businesses, not directly to you, so they have no reason to advertise during the Super Bowl. Their customers are engineers and project managers at companies like Apple, Ford, and Coca-Cola. Secondly, their work is incredibly complex. Explaining a PID loop controller or a SCADA system doesn't make for a catchy 30-second ad. It's a world of highly specialized knowledge. But make no mistake, the influence of this industry is monumental. Every time you drive your car, use your phone, or drink a beverage from a bottle, you are experiencing the end result of their invisible work. They are the foundation upon which our entire material world is built. The next time you see a massive factory, don't just see the building. Think about the intricate, invisible nervous system inside the silent, powerful network of controllers, sensors, and motors working in perfect unison. That's the real secret, the hidden engine of our modern world. It's a testament to human ingenuity, working tirelessly behind the scenes to bring us the life we live today. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this look behind the curtain of modern industry fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies that shape our world. See you in the next one.